Have you ever noticed something interesting? Some older men walk into a room, and people naturally respect them. Women feel calm around them. They don't try too hard, yet they stand out. But others? Even with good intentions, something feels off. The energy is wrong. The interaction feels uncomfortable. This is not about age. It's about mindset. Today, we're going to break this down using Stoic masculinity. You'll discover 3 hidden mistakes that quietly destroy attraction, and more importantly, how to replace them with calm power, self-control, and real confidence. Stay with me. This can completely change how people see you. The first mistake is trying to control everything. This happens when a man wants a specific result so badly. He starts forcing it. He tries too hard to impress. He gives too many compliments. He pushes the conversation. And when things don't go his way, you can feel his disappointment. This is where Stoic wisdom becomes powerful. The Stoics teach a simple truth. You control your actions, but you do not control the outcome. You cannot control how someone feels about you. You cannot force attraction. You cannot demand approval. The moment you attach your happiness to someone else's reaction, you lose your power. And people can feel that. It feels like pressure. It feels like neediness. But a Stoic man is different. He shows up as his best self. He speaks with honesty. He acts with respect. And then he lets go. He does not chase approval. He does not beg for attention. He is already complete. Ironically, this calm detachment is what makes him attractive. The second mistake is living in the past and feeling entitled. Some men talk too much about who they used to be. Their past success. Their old achievements. Their experience. They expect respect just because of their age or history. But here's the truth. No one is impressed by yesterday for long. Stoic masculinity is not about what you were. It's about who you are right now. The past is gone. It cannot speak for you anymore. When a man keeps repeating his old victories, it feels like he has nothing new to offer. Worse, when he believes he deserves attention, he stops earning it. A Stoic man understands something deeper. Respect is built in the present moment. Through how you listen, how you speak, how you treat others. He does not dominate conversations. He does not try to prove himself. Instead, he stays present. He listens with real interest. He speaks with purpose. He respects every person, no matter their age. This quiet humility creates comfort, and comfort builds connection. The third mistake is lack of emotional control. This is the most dangerous one. When a man cannot manage his emotions, everything falls apart. He gets angry too fast. He reacts without thinking. He becomes insecure, needy, or overly sensitive. And people notice immediately. It creates tension. It feels unsafe. Stoic philosophy teaches self-mastery above all. Not by suppressing emotions, but by controlling them. A strong man feels emotions, but he does not let them control his actions. He stays calm under pressure. He thinks before he speaks. He chooses his response instead of reacting instantly. This level of control shows maturity. It shows stability. And stability is deeply attractive, because people trust what feels steady. So if you take anything from this, remember these 3 truths. Do not chase outcomes, focus on your actions. Do not live in the past, earn respect in the present. Do not lose control, master your emotions. This is Stoic masculinity. It is quiet, it is grounded, and it is powerful. When you live this way, you don't need to force respect. It comes to you naturally. Stay wise. Stay calm. Stay in control.